To the channel Card Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to mark an railway line in Autocad. So basically I'm just going to depict you the basic way of doing that thing. So consider that you are having railway line on your AutoCAD plan or your site map like this. So what is the general easiest practice of doing is just press H enter, which is a hatch, and always turn on associative on it, which should be always on. And then you do is select the boundary of the object that creates a seamless and the most easiest thing. So after giving the first layer of solid hatch, you give it a transparency of 50%, so it becomes a little bit light. And you create that, you close that hatch creation, and after that again you press H enter, and then you select the hatch number ENS132, which is a two dashed line, and then again select the rectangle. After that you increase the distance between this for a considerable level that you see a track on it, like a good number. I think a 20 will be good, like a good number. See, 20 looks fine. So and after that you change its layer to a darker color, or I think white is also going to be very fine. Yes, so white is also going to be very fine. We are not yet finished. After doing that, doing this, what you have to do is you have to change this angle to 45, and you have to give this transparency to 0, so it is most easily available. And that's how you create an easiest way of showing a railway line in your AutoCAD plan. It is that simple. So if you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and at the end just write a simple text of railway line like this, and make this considerably smaller, and scale this according to the scale of your drawing. So railway line, it is like this, and you move it